Hey, y'all, my name is Kyle Gaffney. I'm out of San Antonio, Texas. I'm here at Drone Command Live. Uh, amazing event. I signed up for this because I'm getting ready to start a drone business that will allow me to get out of doing some of the work that I'm doing now and set my family up for a really amazing future. Um, Biggest takeaway I'm taking away from the event so far, we're on day two, um, is the amazing amount of marketing information that you get. These guys are not teaching you how to fly a drone today. They're teaching you how to be a drone business master. Right now, we've been learning marketing, and I've got a 4-year bachelor's in business management degree from a major university, and I have learned so much more in the last day and a half than I did in 4 years of trying to get that silly little degree, which is just a piece of paper that I'm not even going to hang on my wall. If you're standing on the fence thinking about joining this, jump, jump hard if you ever want to own an amazing drone business. I would say beyond a shadow of a doubt, the two guys that are teaching us this class, we've got Diego Rodriguez. This man is a marketing ninja. He teaches more about marketing than a business class will ever teach you. And then we've got Damien Darnell. He is the drone boss. This man is a wizard with a helicopter. He's got the experience, and he's got the knowledge, and he's got the personality and attitude to teach you how to be amazing. If you want a drone business, come to Drone Command. It's amazing.